So guys, we are still in the streets of Lagos. This is Adekwe comedy. So today own is fufu with egusi soup. Semo with egusi soup. But two of them, we want to know who first finish the semo. So your time starts now. Oh yeah, oh. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. They say they can challenge Spanner. Oh. Spanner, see your people, they can challenge you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Austin, 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 Austin. If you can challenge them, comment, comment, comment. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Bama, Bama. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. If his Spanner is doing the thing say there is, oh yeah, he can challenge Spanner, he can challenge Bama. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, hey, hey, I have my winner here, oh. I have my winner here, oh. I have my winner here. I have my winner here, oh. I have my winner here. You will finish your soup, oh. Finish your meat. Finish your water. You will finish your soup. Finish your meat. Finish your water. Yeah. Finish your soup. Finish your meat. Come like this. Finish your meat, finish your meat, finish your soup, and your water, and your water, your meat, your soup, and your water. And challenge them. Comment. Your soup, your soup, your soup, and your water. Your soup and your water, your soup and your water. My winner is